Discover the breathtaking geography of Laos. Welcome to Laos, a landlocked treasure in Southeast Asia that offers travelers unmatched natural beauty. Rugged mountains, dense forests, and the lifeline Mekong River define its incredible landscapes. Whether you're a nature enthusiast or an adventurer, Laos promises to captivate your spirit. Picture cascading waterfalls tucked in emerald green forests and fertile river valleys teeming with life. Laos's serene beauty invites you to step into a world untouched by time. These lush valleys tell stories of a people living harmoniously with the land. Don't miss the jaw-dropping limestone karsts of Vang, where dramatic cliffs rise against the horizon. These natural wonders create perfect backdrops for kayaking, cave exploring, and taking photos you'll treasure forever. Vien is truly a playground for nature lovers. The Mekong River, flowing majestically through Laos, is much more than a waterway. It's a lifeline for communities and a hub for adventure. Along its banks, you can explore traditional villages, vibrant local markets, and even cruise the tranquil waters at sunset. Ready to embrace the unspoiled beauty of Laos? From cascading waterfalls to the iconic limestone vistas of Vang, every moment promises awe-inspiring views. Like, share, and save this video, and start planning your adventure to this Southeast Asian paradise now. Laos is calling. Will you answer?